Hi guys, this is about the drama of the solar eclipse at August 21st in USA. There's a lot of trouble with these solar eclipse glasses. They were on sale on Amazon and almost every page very cheap. We have been able to buy these things, maybe 5 pack for $10 or so, very cheap. And we all thought we are really good prepared. It also comes with some CE certification, ISO certification, of course. If you see the small print, it's just ISO 9001 or this kind of thing. It has nothing to do with the glasses itself. It's just about the company. It doesn't tell anything about the glasses. So yeah, but we were all safe and nice and happy. We thought we are really good prepared for August 21st for the solar eclipse. We have these glasses for the whole family. And then we got this email from Amazon where they say, yeah, thank you for your buy or whatever. And they told us that these glasses, solar eclipse glasses, are not safe, or they could be not safe. That they asked the manufacturers for or the sellers for certification that they are made by a recommended manufacturer, and all the companies which have not been able to prove that, for all the customers they got a letter like me by email telling best is not to use these glasses. But the problem is, at the moment it's almost impossible to get certified glasses. Most of them are sold out, and the ones which are not sold out are like they have an astronomical price. They start at about $20 or at least $50 or something like that. That's really like it's crazy. Prices are going up, and yeah, most of them are sold out anyway. Even when you look at eBay, it's really hard to get them. And on eBay doesn't care about certification. They are selling anything, but most of them are, when you buy it on eBay, they will be delivered by the end of August or something like that, directly from China. Doesn't help anyway. So it's really tough. Maybe you can get something from Walmart. I don't know if they have. I have been checking online. I haven't seen something. I remember. So the question is now, what can we do? A lot of people have such glasses and they don't know if they can use them. So when I remember some 30 or 40 years ago, we got some cheap glasses like this from any supermarket. Sometimes when we went into a drug superstore or drug market or something like that, they just handed out some of them. They were really cheap, and I'm pretty sure, I'm 100% sure they were not any better than this one. And we tried and we used them, and we still can see everything. So I actually assume they are safe, but I'm not a scientist, I'm not a doctor, I'm not an engineer, nothing. So I'm just a little bit thinking about the whole thing, what we can do, and maybe I can help you a little bit with that. So yeah, what can you do when you have these glasses and you need them for your family, so you want that they are safe? What can we do? So I've been looking at this page which Amazon suggested. This is, let me search for this. This is the hold on one second. Yeah, this is the page from the American Astronomical Society, AAAS, and they have some things. They say, yeah, here they say what to look for. These are the ISO certifications, what they suggest for buying glasses. But yeah, if you can't buy glasses or if they are astronomically expensive, so what to do? Yeah, they say, of course, you have different options. You can put multiple pairs of sunglasses behind each other. These things are all things which you should not use. Even when I remember we did that and we still can see. So yeah, but of course they are the experts. They say don't use smoked glasses, don't use X-ray film, don't use potato chips back DVDs and whatever. The only thing which you can do is to use professional welding filters with a shade of at least 12 or higher. And they say the problem is that they here they say it, you can clearly read that while you're when you use just like non-professional filter or glasses, they say while you're enjoying a comfortable view of the dim sun, infrared filtered solar infrared radiation could be cooking your retinas. So yeah, so when we look at Wikipedia or some similar page, we can see that this is the sunlight. It consists of three different different rays or wavelengths, actually, or the three parts of wavelengths. The one is the UV, which makes the skin it can damage the skin or make it darker or whatever. Then we have the visible radiation, which makes the daylight, and then we have the infrared, which produces the heat. So yeah, how can we test our glasses regarding to this? So the visible sunlight, of course, we can check. I mean, it's very easy. You can hold this down, and we have a very strong light here, a really hard beam, and you can easily see it's almost perfectly dark underneath these glasses, so no problem at all. I was using them to look into this strong light, not the sun but the strong light, and it was still like almost perfectly dark. So visible radiation, visible light is no problem at all. So what we have UV light. So we have these UV checkers. You can buy them easily on Amazon or other stores. They are still available even with 1 or 2 days shipping, so there's still time to buy these and check your glasses regarding this if you need that. I don't know if this is really an issue, because the American Astronomical Society mentioned especially the infrared as a problem, but you can test that. Of course, you can hold that into the sun, test beside the glasses and test underneath the glasses, and then you will know if there is some protection. I'm pretty sure it will be. So then the thing which is more like a problem is the infrared. And my thoughts are, I mean, we have these infrared thermometers. You can determine the temperature of anything, like some surfaces. Even you can measure the water temperature and other things. And what I have done so far, I have turned on the boiler plate of my stove to the highest level and then tried to measure the temperature, and it went up like crazy. Of course, it was above 100 degrees Celsius, which is, I don't know, 200 Fahrenheit or even more. And then I was protecting my infrared sensor by these glasses, and I measured the temperature. And also here, where we have a better protection, of course, there's cardboard. Infrared can't go through cardboard. So I have tested on the side, I have tested on the cardboard, and I have tested behind these glasses, and the cardboard and behind the glasses were the same and much lower than directly in on towards the boiler plate. So I'm almost 100% sure that infrared is also no problem at all for these glasses. But of course I will test this tomorrow with the sun. That was also, I have not tested the UV so far. The visibility was no problem to check anyway, and the infrared I've only tested with the boiler plate, so I will do this tomorrow with direct sunlight here in Florida, where we have really strong sun. So I'm pretty sure I will be able to test this and find out how good the protection is. So yeah, of course I will do another video tomorrow where I will show you this, but of course these are only my glasses. So if you want to test your glasses, you have to do the same. This equipment is still available, as I told you, with 1 or 2 day shipping on Amazon. It's always good to have a UV checker to know how hard the sun is, and an infrared thermometer is always good to have, so it's not a bad buy anyway. It's something you always can use in your home. So yeah, not too much waste of money. Maybe it helps you. So just as I told you, I'm not a scientist, not a doctor, not a whatever. This is just an assumption, and I hope I will be right, and I did not something wrong, but I'm pretty sure that this really works. So yeah, just take me not for 100%, but I still hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.